Today, easy healthy food in my indoor kitchen because it's getting chilly outside. Easy dish for a Sunday. So it's Sunday, lazy day, everybody's resting. Maybe you're a hangover, maybe you're not, maybe you just want to relax and do your own thing. And I've got a really easy dish, a healthy dish. You can eat it with the whole family, and it's not that difficult. You can just buy the teriyaki sauce. I've got it here from the supermarket. Nice flavors, don't put too much effort in it. So for this dish I'm gonna use 3 paprikas, the yellow, the red and the green one. We're gonna use some beans, some garlic and onion, of course easy. Of course we're gonna use that. Some rice. I've got myself a really interesting way of cooking rice. I think everybody can do it. And for the rest, yeah, just go with the flow. Let's do it. So I'm gonna start off with the rice. Pan full whack. Got myself a nice cup of rice. Add it in there. And here's the trick. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. 1. Number 2. Add a little bit of salt. Give it a stir until it boils. Then we're gonna put the lid back up and let it rest. Turn off the heat. So then the rice will absorb all the water, and that's done. As you can see, water is boiling, so give it a stir. Put the lid up, turn down the heat and let it rest. Next step, got myself a pack of beans. I'm gonna open it up. Don't want to put too much effort in there. Grab yourself a nice handful. Add tails. Into a pan, the rest of the boiling water. Get it in there. On some fire. Couple of minutes and that will be done. Now time to prepare the rest of the veggies. Start off with the onions. Onion. Ooh, that's a bad one. Bloody hell. Well, sometimes you got it, a wasted onion. I've got myself still a red onion. Yeah, life sucks sometimes. But we've got more onions, so a red onion. One more time. This is a good one. There we go. There goes the onion. Paprika. In the meanwhile, water boiling on the beans. small strokes. A yellow one, same thing, cutting it besides the membrane, and as you can see, membrane still there, no white stuff on my leftover. And the red one. Most cutting work already done. Beans had a few minutes, so got yourself a sieve on top of the stove and just let them cool down for a minute. Look at the greenish color. Ooh, nice crispy. Time to go for the chicken. Chicken, use another cutting board. Please guys, you don't want to have strange diseases by raw chicken. Got it here, also got myself a sharp butcher's knife. And we're gonna make small strokes, small pieces of chicken here. So don't make it too long. Sometimes you've got these little things here. Remove them. It's not nice if you're gonna chew on them and it's gonna be really rough. So that's gonna be gone. Small pieces. For the rest, it looks nice. A little bit of fat, no problem. Got myself a plate. So small pieces of chicken. Wash my hands. Pretty easy. Some salt. Pepper. And time to heat up the wok. Wok, full heat. Everything you got. Add a couple of tablespoons of oil. And now wait until it's really, really, really hot. And when it's getting really hot, you can hear it. Ooh, some water still in there. Take your chicken. And that's the sound you want to hear. Enough of butter to get that nice brownish color on your chicken. Now the chicken is getting nice golden brown. Then we're going to go in with all the veggies. Look at those colors. Oh, that's looking nice. Buy yourself a good garlic. Oh.
Later.
God damn it. And again, buy yourself a good garlic press. Take the cloves of garlic. Put it in there. And just squeeze with peel. No problem. And look, it's empty. The only thing left is this. All the garlic is out. And the smell, oh. Time to add the beans. And of course clean up the kitchen. Now, when everything got a few minutes getting softer, we're gonna add the sauce. This time I got the teriyaki sauce, you can buy it everywhere. Add that in. And this only needs to warm up. Turn down the heat. Time to plate up. Now I'm gonna start with cutting some parsley. A little bit. Also got some pine nuts. Rice is ready. Nice sticky rice. Gonna grab myself a plate. A spoon, and I'm gonna fill a coffee cup with rice. Give it a little press. In the middle of the plate, oh. Tab, and you've got a nice tower of rice. Number 3. There we go, a nice tower of rice. To dress it up, those colors are looking awesome. Get some veggies and some meat. Surround it. A little bit of teriyaki sauce on top of the rice. It will absorb the flavors. There we go. Top it off with some fresh parsley. Some pine nuts. And this is my chicken teriyaki on a Sunday. Easy food on a Sunday. Time to give it a small taste. There we go. Some rice with some veggies. Nice teriyaki sauce. Still crispy veggies. Nice chicken. What a feast. Nice flavors on a Sunday. And this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Next week, no video because I'll be on holiday. But we're gonna see each other in 2 weeks. Bye bye.